Hey, it's Rick here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the AmpliFi Alien Wi-Fi 6 True Gigabit router. Now, this is by ULabs, Ubiquiti, and as we crack open the box, I'll mention it's going to come in at about $379. I will link to it in the description down below. And as you take a look at some of the specifics on the outside of the box, I'll also mention that this is going to be the first of a few videos I do on this router. So while today's is simply about unboxing it and showing you what's on the inside, I will do some updated videos in the near future, powering it on, giving you an idea of its performance, comparing it to my older systems, including the AmpliFi HD and AmpliFi HD Gamers Edition. So let's go ahead and pop this thing out of the box. I will mention and leave a comment if you're seeing a resemblance to an older router that is no longer made, because this was one of the first things when I looked at it that reminded me of. You get a quick start guide, really easy to follow the instructions. I will mention that setting this up is going to be app driven. There is a web interface after you get it set up. And again, we'll talk about that in a future video. There is also an Ethernet cable that is included in the box. It doesn't have any markings on it, so I'm not sure if it's Cat 5, 6, 7, what it is. And then there's your power cable as well. Now, here's the router itself. We'll pull off the plastic wrapping and we'll take a look at it up close. When I do power this up in a future video, you're going to see that that center area is a haptic touch screen. So you get a lot of data on it and it looks beautiful. Other than that, it's a really clean look. It's all black. It's kind of this satiny finish. And those are 4 Ethernet ports on the back that are all gigabit. And then you've got your WAN port down below, as well as your power plug that you're going to basically plug into. And then there's a reset button there if you needed it as well. So this was a quick unboxing of the AmpliFi Alien. Stay tuned. Hit subscribe, hit that bell notification to be notified when new videos go online, because I will be doing some tests of this in the very near future. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys next time.